Did you know that the inland taipan is the world's most venomous snake, which is native to Australia? Just one drop of its lethal venom can kill up to 100 humans. This kind of snake is one of the many deadly animals found only in Australia. Good day, mates. Welcome to Know Your Nation. Today we're gonna be exploring a few interesting facts that make Australia an amazing country. From its hidden treasures to unsolved mysteries, prepare to be mind blown by this remarkable land down under. Here are 5 amazing facts about Australia. Fact number 1. Australia is a continent and a country. That's right, folks. Australia is the only country in the world that covers an entire continent, making it both a continent and a country. The Australian territory includes mainland Australia, Tasmania, which is about the same size as Ireland, and also includes various surrounding islands. This makes Australia the smallest continent in the world. However, the country itself is the 6th largest. Fact number 2. Indigenous Australians. Australia was discovered by European explorers in the 1600s. However, did you know that various groups of people have been living in this part of the world for over 50,000 years? People such as the Aborigines and Torres Strait Islanders lived here for generations before it was even discovered by the rest of the world. A study from Imperial College discovered that these indigenous Australians migrated here from Africa around 24,000 years before the rest of their counterparts and are direct descendants of the early modern explorers. Today, however, they only make up a small percentage of the Australian population. Fact number 3. Dangerous animals. Australia is home for some of the most dangerous animals on Earth. Earlier we talked about the most venomous snake in the world, inland taipan, being native to Australia, but that is only a tip of the iceberg. Deadly spiders such as the Sydney funnel-webbed spider, lethal agile birds such as the cassowaries, stealthy marine animals such as the stonefish, which often gets mistaken as a rock, and highly toxic box jellyfish that are hard to detect live in this part of the globe. Not to mention the various kinds of sharks and their attacks on civilians that appear on the news. It is important to remember, however, that attacks from these creatures are quite rare to us everyday civilians. Most fatalities are instead caused by domestic animals like cows, sheep, and horses. Fact number 4. Most Australians live in the coast. The Australian coastline stretches for over 50,000 kilometers and is home to some of the world's most beautiful beaches in the world. Bondi Beach in Sydney, known for its golden sand, and Whitehaven Beach in Queensland, known for its crystal clear water, are some of the most iconic beaches in Australia. Around 90% of the total population reside in such coastal regions, and major cities such as Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane have access to such wonderful beaches. Access to the coastline has allowed Australians to practice a coastal lifestyle where they can engage in various activities such as surfing and scuba diving. This lifestyle has made Australia a famous destination for tourists and symbolizes the vibrant beauty of Australian culture. Fact number 5. Australia has a diverse landscape. While Australians may live on the coastline, the country has some of the most diverse landscapes you can find. The central part of the country has a lot of deserted areas. In fact, Australia has the 2nd largest desert in the world, named the Great Victoria Desert. Other examples include the Pinnacles Desert, which has a strange landscape of thousands of pillar limestones that form from the sandy landscape. These pinnacles are said to be formed by the result of calcification and precipitation of calcium carbonate around plant roots. However, scientists are still conducting research on the exact process of this mysterious formation. Australia also has lots of mountains, predominantly in the southeastern region. Some of them have snow all year round and are known as the Australian Alps. The Australian Alps have surprisingly more snowfall than the Swiss Alps during winter, and also has the largest ski resort in the southern hemisphere, named the Perisor Resort. And there you have it, folks. From diverse landscapes to deadly animals, ancient tribes and beautiful coastal cities, Australia is indeed one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Such diversity is the reason why the country is a go-to destination for thousands of tourists every year and attracts immigrants from all over the world. Thank you for watching this video about the land down under. Make sure to check my other videos and don't forget to explore and stay curious. Until next time, goodbye.